graph linear functions using the slope and the y-intercept. So the slope-intercept form of a line is y equals mx plus b. The y-intercept is that b value, that constant. It tells you, typically, what I like to explain is it tells you where to begin your graph. So it's the point on the y-axis. B tells you where to begin. Your slope is the m value. The slope tells you how to move. So m tells you to move, b tells you where to begin. So in the equation that we have here, y equals 4 times x plus 2. We have to graph this. 2 is my constant, which means my y-intercept is going to be at the point 0, comma 2. So on the y-axis, I'm going to go to where the number 2 is, and that's going to be my beginning point. That's where I can start. The slope here is the coefficient in front of your variable x. So your slope, that tells you how to move, is 4. So we want to write the slope as a fraction. So we're going to write that as 4 over 1. 4 divided by 1 is just 4. And slope typically tells you how to move up and then over to the right. So some people describe it as the rise over the run if you go right. So from this green point at the y-intercept, we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4 points. We're going to go over 1, and that is our next point. You can continue doing that, but you really only need 2 points to graph. 1, 2, 3, 4 up, 1 over. A good strategy that's going to help is if you're moving up 4 and to the right 1 space, you might not have any room to go in that direction. So that's going to be equivalent to going in the opposite direction. So instead of going up 4, we can go down 4. And instead of going to the right 1, we can go to the left 1. So if we start at that green dot again, the y-intercept, we could go down 1, 2, 3, 4, over 1, and plot a point. And then here, all of these points are going to connect into a nice line. I cannot draw a straight line, but that would be your equation. Y equals 4x plus 2. That's how you would graph it using the slope and the y-intercept.